Queen of Bacchanal. I grew up as a real good girl, always home, don't go nowhere. As soon as I was introduced to carnival, they say I lose all down on the ground, walking up my bottom, and it dragging all over tongue, and they say I lose it.
Hey YouTube, welcome to Let's Try and See with Dina V, and this is a tutorial on how to get this beautiful carnival collar. Carnival is next week and I'm very excited, and I did this DIY for you, so don't forget to stay tuned if you're interested in seeing how I did it. Okay, so what we have here is our cardboard cutout. I've already cut it out in the shape of a U. I attached my wire hanger to it to add a little bit more support, and then I'm using the clips to glue down the little support pieces onto it. Okay, so what I did now is I took that cardboard U and I wrapped it in this stretchy fabric. This is the, I guess, messy side, and I'm gluing the feathers onto the messy side so that when you flip it and you look at it from behind, it looks neat, because this is the back, and so you don't want your back to be looking all ratchet either, you know what I'm saying? So this is the beginnings of my feather collar for carnival. Okay, sorry about my setup. My setup is completely different. But now I have my first row. I have my first row of feathers. Now I'm going to add my second row of feathers. I'm trying to figure out what my best color combination is. So that's what I'll be doing, because I can't record and do, but that's what I'm going to be doing. Adding glue, laying it down. That's it. Now I'll come back with that done. Okay, so if you look here, don't mind my ugly feet, there's like a space. So on the other side, what I did was take these individual feathers and I plopped 3 in to fill in that. So that's what I will be doing there. So you see, doing the individuals, boom, boom. Okay, boom, boom. Yeah, we have our 2 rows down. So now we are going to do our last row. So I'm going to glue this here for our last row. At least that's what I'm thinking. If not, I might add trim instead. What do you think? Yeah, I don't know. Now I am adding these little stones across the back to create a nice trim. So that's what you see me do as my next step. Okay, so now I have them glued down. So now we have to like let them sit. And then I'm thinking we're gonna change the shape and glue circles now instead. And it's always kind of good to, you know, kind of line them up the way you kind of want them before you glue them down, so you can kind of have an idea. So that's the kind of idea I think I'm going to go for. And then all I have to do is add straps, and this will actually be done. And this will be my collar, and then I'll be moving on to the rest of the costume. Okay, so now I have my circle stones glued on, and we are done. I'm going to let this rest for 24 hours so that everything is secure, and then I'll add my straps, and my carnival collar will be done. Okay, so I have added straps to my collar, and I started another collar. So we have 2 collars. They are the same color scheme, but just slightly different. So that's what to that one, just like I did this one, and adding straps. So then that's what we have here is our different types of stones here. I got most of these off of Amazon, and I'm using E6000. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. I'll have to cut this in and let y'all know. We got like some different array of tools and things that I've been using to kind of come up with ideas. But yeah, this is what we have here. Our damn near finished collar. I might add some more stones and more feathers here and there to just make it look a little fuller. And then this is the other collar that I'm working on. I was supposed to do 3, but now I'm doing 2. So we have a little more feathers to go around now. Okay, this is my latest update. So as you can see, I went ahead and added my beautiful rhinestone trim. It doesn't exactly match the other one, but it's still pretty good in my opinion. And I think I'm gonna add some stones and a couple more different feathers to kind of enhance the style a little bit. And then I'll add some straps. Okay, so as you can see, this is the final product. It has the threads attached, or the strings attached. And like I said, I did 2, and that is it for the collar. Okay, so I am finally done. I add some jewels to the feathers to kind of just add a little bit more pizzazz, and that is it. So I hope you guys like this tutorial on how I made my collars for Carnival.